name is Michael Schmitt. I am General Manager for SAP Business ByDesign. That's a fairly new position, and I'm overseeing everything from development to go-to-market support, quite everything who is related to ByDesign. Okay. My background is in principal management consulting. I'm 14 years with SAP. I started a practice in business consulting from scratch for SAP. Then I was managing the mid-market business in Germany and in Europe. And this was followed by different COO position for global teams. The last position was the ecosystem and channels COO for global responsibility. And that brings, I think, a great fit together, the business aspect from business consulting, mid-market focus, the partner focus. I bring everything together and I now strengthen the SAP Business ByDesign business. SAP Business ByDesign is a key element of our cloud portfolio. It's in the meantime running on HANA, so it's on the same platform like all of the other solutions. And it's covering the upper mid-market as well as the subsidiaries of our large enterprise accounts. So I think we have a lot of benefits for our customers integrating ByDesign integration scenarios to our business suite, to other solutions like SuccessFactors, Ariba, and so on. So that's a core solution of our cloud portfolio. Yeah, we renewed a little bit our SAP Business ByDesign strategy. That means we clarified the focus in our SAP portfolio. So it's a real strategic solution for the upper mid-market now. And we have a full portfolio of mid-market solutions, up to 500 employees. We have an on-premise solution, Business One. We have the corresponding cloud, B1 on cloud. And between 500 and 1,000 employees, which we call upper mid-market. We also have an on-premise solution, all-in-one, and ByDesign as our key and native cloud solution. So that was one of the first aspects to clarify the positioning in the market. The second thing was the development strategy. How do we continue to develop ByDesign to keep it a mid-market solution? And the key strategy here is SAP is focusing on the core solution, and we open it up for partners much more than in the past to strengthen our solution with their knowledge, to build add-ons, to cover micro-vertical industries, to add functionality. So this will be a massive partner play to complete our solution. And consequently, the third key aspect is the go-to-market piece, because this is also now much more partner-driven. That means we approach the upper mid-market with partners, and on top of that, the entire portfolio, and especially ByDesign, is also a key solution for the subsidiaries of our large enterprise accounts. Quite frankly, we tried to clarify the portfolio and give it some borderlines with 500 employees. Everything above should be ByDesign, everything below is Business One on demand. But you cannot really draw a line. So it really depends on the company, on the complexity, on the processes. So there may be a lot of exceptions where you have really complex processes, even with smaller companies, and then for sure you can and you should use SAP Business ByDesign. The cloud topic is important because it turns out with all of the innovations which are coming, with all of the market dynamics, that will be the preferred deployment methodology for all of our customers. And for sure we want to be a front runner in the market. So we started very early with ByDesign. There's a lot of knowledge. It's an in-memory technology included. It's a native cloud solution built from scratch. So we invested quite a lot of things to enable our customers to just get a service instead of running on-premise projects and all of the things which you had in the past. The security in the cloud, I think that's a key topic, and I fully understand that. So I think we are fulfilling all standards, and we have data centers globally, for sure in Germany, but also in the US. We have one in Sydney and so on. So we have local data centers as well, where we run ByDesign, and we are fulfilling all of the security standards. Yeah, what are the benefits of HANA for ByDesign? It's mainly, frankly, the database. The in-memory technology itself, it's called T-Rex in ByDesign. That's built in from the very beginning. So the real benefit is you're on the same platform. So HANA is the foundation of all of our SAP solutions. So it's easier to connect and easier to run integration scenarios. And the in-memory technology, that was already there from the very beginning. As I mentioned, we will have the strongest core solution, and we will have a huge ecosystem with partners completing our solution, covering all micro-vertical industries and covering all territories. That means with a full global reach. We already have a lot of country localizations. You will see much, much more. And the clear strategy and vision is to cover, if you want, the world with all industries. Yeah, last year we had a little bit of miscommunication on our strategy. So we have been asked to re-architect the solution, to bring it on HANA. Quite frankly, that worked out pretty well and more quickly than everybody expected. So since spring this year, we are delivering the service ByDesign on HANA already. And now with that strengthened core solution, we now again, and with the renewed strategy which we have, which is very much partner focused, we again push and bring that to market. Now we wanted to give our installed base a clear confidence on the future of ByDesign. That's why Bill McDermott has personally written an email to the installed base. Number one, explaining that we successfully implemented HANA as the basis for ByDesign. And number two, maybe even more important, underlying the strategic importance. On top of that, we have Bernd Leukert, our board member for development. He also was speaking in front of partners in Germany and confirming the strategic importance of ByDesign and committing on the further development. So just to get rid of all of the rumors which are out there in the market, I hope that's their only argument which they have. And as soon as this is gone, I think we have a lot of proof points. I'm sure we will win in the market together with our partners.